lost?
My world. I lost the love of my life. My two daughters.
The birds have left the trees. The light pours onto me.
Nothing will ever be okay again.
I know. That Flash, the Flash from Earth 90, he looked just like my dad, Henry Allen. He was a resilient man. He spent years in prison for the murder of my mom, a crime one of my enemies committed and framed him for. Through all that, he never lost his light. Times like this, I try and do the same.
My father, Alvin Pierce. He was a good man too. Reporter. Spent his life giving a voice to the voiceless. He was murdered when I was 12. But I still carry the lessons he taught me to this day. Passed them along to my girl. My girls. Anyway, I get it. Look, I don't think Henry or Alvin raised any quitters, so we should honor their memory and rage against the dying of the light.
Dylan Thomas.
Well, all right, then.
Barry Allen.